In this video, I'll show you how to connect your soundbar to your TV using an HDMI cable. For the first step, take one end of this HDMI cable and we need to plug it in the back of the soundbar. Now, depending on your model, it may look different, but usually you should have one HDMI port. If you have multiple HDMI ports, you should connect it to the one that says ARC. But if you have only one, well, the choice is easy. This is where you need to plug it. Then if we go on the back of the TV, you're going to notice you have multiple HDMI ports. So in which one of these should you connect it? Well, if you look closely on HDMI number 3 here, I have ARC being written. If you see ARC or CEC being marked beside one of these HDMI ports, go ahead and connect the cable to that one. Mine is the number 3, but maybe yours will be the number 2 or number 4, depending on your TV models. So go ahead and connect it. The soundbar needs to be in HDMI mode or ARC mode. Depending on your model, you will be able to change the settings on the soundbar itself. But this one over here has this remote control and I have a button for ARC. So put your soundbar into HDMI mode or ARC mode. Then we need to do the same thing on the TV. There's many different TV brands and different ways on how to do this. Usually it's by going in the menu, go into the settings, go into the audio menu or sound settings menu. When you choose audio output, make sure that ARC or HDMI output is selected. This will force the TV to send the sound through that specific port and not through another one. Once this is done, depending on your TV brand, you may have to adjust another setting. If you have a Samsung TV or a Vizio TV, I know those have this menu, you need to go into the sound settings. Sometimes it's hidden under expert settings. And you need to change digital output audio for PCM. So go through your TV menus and check out if you have this option somewhere. Next step is to simply go ahead and play anything on your TV and check if this setup is working. If you're experiencing issues and there's no sound that is coming out from your soundbar, I suggest you turn off your TV, unplug it from the wall socket, wait 5 minutes and plug it back. So this will simply do a small reboot, it won't delete anything, and hopefully this will solve your problem. Also make sure that your soundbar is turned on, because some of them, like this one, only have this small LED over here telling you it's turned on, and it's very easy to not see it and think the soundbar is on when instead it's off. Please subscribe, leave a like, but also type a comment telling me if this worked for you. I'll see you in the next video.